Good morning, friend. Today we have to discuss the electrical wiring system used in the home as well as industrial purpose. Without electrical wiring, it is not possible to operate the various equipments from the main supply. So the electrical wiring system it is very important. The electrical wiring system is a process of connecting cables and wires to the related devices such as fuse, switches, lights, fan, etc. to the main distribution board is a specific structure to the utility pole for continuous power supply so that the electrical wiring it is main part of the system. The electrical wirings have done with the help of different methods, that is cleat wiring, wooden casing or caping wiring, CTS or TRS or PVC sheath wiring, lead sheathed or metal sheathed wiring system is used, or conducting wiring system is used for the various electrical wiring system. These are the different wiring system. We have to see in the detail what are the connections of the different wiring system. Then first one is the cleat wiring. It is a simple one, or it is very easy to do the electrical wiring. That is easily, suppose we have to take a wire and it is directly cleated on the wall. It is a cleat wiring, see in the image, as well as see the fuses. It will be cleat with the help of two grooves or three grooves. We have to cleat that fuse on the wall. Then this system of wiring consists of ordinary VIR or PVC insulated wires, and occasionally the sheathed or weatherproof cables are used for the connections. Then cleat wiring system is a temporary wiring system, therefore it is not suitable for domestic premises, and therefore the use of cleat wiring system is over nowadays. It is not used nowadays. Then what are the advantages of the cleat wiring? It is simple, cheap wiring system. It is more suitable for temporary use. As the cable and wire of cleat wiring system is in open air, therefore fault in cable can be easily identified and repair will be very easy. The cleat wiring system installation is very easy and simple. Customization can be easily done in this wiring system. For example, alteration and addition of other equipments are also very easy because it is in open, and inspection is very easy and simple. Then what are the disadvantages of the cleat wiring system? The appearance of the cleat wiring system is not so good. The cleat wiring cannot be used for permanent use because sag may be occurs after the some use of that cables and wires. In this wiring system, the cable and wires is in open air, therefore oil, steam, humidity, smoke, rain, chemical and acidic effect may damage the cable or wires. It is not lasting wire system because of the weather effect, and a risk of fire and wear and tear will be possible. It can be used up to the voltage of 440 volt on low temperature, as well as there will be a risk of fire and electric shock will be present because it will be in open space. It can be used in importance and sensitive location, as well as location we have to not use there, and it is not lasting and reliable and sustainable wiring system. So it is nowadays it is not used wiring system. This is the first wiring system. Then second one is the casing and caping wiring system. This is the generally used in the house applications as well as in the industries also. Casing and caping wiring system was famous wiring system in the past, but its considered is absolutely these days. nowadays we have to use because of conduct and lead sheathed wiring system. The cable used in this kind of wiring, whether either PVC or VIR cables are used or other approved insulated cables are used. The cables were carried through the wooden casing enclosure or PVC enclosure. The casing is made up of strip of wooden with parallel grooves cut lengthwise so as to accumulate the VIR cables. The grooves were made up to separate the opposite polarity. The casing capping used to cover the wire and cable installed and fitted in the casing. See, in the house there will be a plastic casing is also used, and through that we have to carry the cable on, and on that capping is also used. These wirings are famous nowadays. Then what are the advantages of casing capping wiring? It is a cheap wiring system as compared to the sheathed and conduct wiring system. It is strong and long lasting wiring system. Customization can be easily done in this wiring system. If phase and neutral wire is installed in separate slot, then repairing is very easy in the system. Then stay for a long time in the field due to the strong insulation of capping and casing. It stay safe from oil, steam and smoke and rain because wires are enclosed. No risk of electric shock due to the covered wire and cables in the casing and capping. Then what are the disadvantages of casing and capping wiring? There is a high risk of fire in casing and capping wiring system. No suitable in acidic, alkalis and humidity condition. And costly repairing and need more material for the repairing purpose. The material cannot be found easily in the contemporary. White ants may damage the casing and capping of wood. The casing and capping wiring. Then we have to discuss the batten wiring used in the industry and home applications. Third one is the batten wiring. A single core or double core or three core TRS cable with particular circular wool shape cables are used in this kind of wiring, and mostly single core cables are preferred. The TRS cables are chemical proof, waterproof, steam proof, but slightly affected by the lubricating oils. The TRS cables are run on seasoned and straight teak wooden batten with at least thickness of 10 mm. See, in the image we have to shown the batten wooden is present, and on that batten wooden we have to carry the wires. This is the simplest wiring system in the woods. The cables are held on the wooden batten by means of thinner brass link clips already fixed to the batten with brass pins and spaced at interval of 10 cm for horizontal runs and 15 cm for vertical runs are present. Nowadays, these batten wiring systems are not used. These are used in the wood. Then what are the advantages of batten wiring? The wiring installation is simple and very easy. It is cheap as compared to the other electrical wiring system. Then repairing is very easy, strong and long lasting. Customization can be easily done in this wiring system. Less chance of leakage current in the batten wiring system is present. These are the advantages of the batten wiring. Then we have to discuss related to the disadvantages of batten wiring. It cannot installed in the humidity and chemical effects and open and outdoor areas. High risk of fire. Not safe from external wear and tear and weather effects. Then heavy wires cannot be used in the batten wiring system, and it is suitable only below the 250 volt, and it needs more cable and wire for the system. The next one is the lead sheathed wire. This type of wiring employs conductors that are insulated with wire and covered with an outer sheath of lead aluminum alloys containing of 95% of lead. The metal sheath gives the protection to the cable from mechanical damage and moistures and atmospheric corrosion. The whole lead covering is made electrically continuous and is connected to the earth at the point of entry to protect against the electrolytic action due to the leakage current, and to provide the safe in case the sheath becomes alive, and the cables are run on wooden batten and fixed by the means of link clips just as TRS wiring system. The next one is the conduct wiring. In the conduct wiring, there are two additional types of wirings are present, that is surface conduct wiring and concealed conduct wiring. The first one is the surface conduct wiring. If the conducts are installed on the roof or wall, it is known as surface conduct wiring. And in this wiring method, they are makes the hole on the surface of wall on equal distance, and conduct is installed then with the help of rowel plug. Then concealed wiring conduct. If the conducts are hidden inside the wall slot with the help of plastering, it is called as concealed conduct wiring. In other words, the electrical wiring system inside wall, roof or floor with the help of plastic or metallic piping is called as concealed conduct wiring. These are the nowadays it will be mostly used and popular, and it is beautiful, strong and common electrical wiring system nowadays. We have shown in the image, that is concealed conduct wiring system. The conduct wiring, steel tubes known as conduct are installed on the surface of wall by means of pipe hooks, that is surface conduct wiring. It is buried in wall under plaster or VI or PVC cables, afterward drawn by means of GI wire of size is 18 gauge. In the conduct wiring system, the conduct should be electrically continuous and connected to the earth at suitable points. In case of steel conduct, conduct wiring is a professional way of wiring a building, or mostly PVC conducts are used in domestic wiring system. The conduct protects the cable from being damaged by the rodents, and very famous wiring system will be used nowadays. Then types of conduct will be metallic conduct and non-metallic conducts are present. In the metallic conduct is made up of steel and which are very strong, but it is costly. There are two types of metallic conducts are present, that is class A conduct, that is low gauge conduct. Thin layer steel sheet conducts are used, and in the class B conduct, high gauge conduct, that is thick sheet of steel conduct will be used here, and more non-metallic conduct, that is solid PVC conducts is used as a non-metallic conduct, and it will be which is flexible and easy to bend. This type of material is used for non-metallic conduct. Then there will be different advantages of the conduct wiring system. It is a safe wiring system. Appearance is very beautiful. No risk of mechanical wear and tear. Fire in case of metallic piping. Customization can be easily done according to the future need. Repairing and maintenance is very easy. Then there is no risk of damage to the cable insulation. It is safe from corrosion or and risk of fire. It can be used in humidity, chemical effect and smoke area. No risk of electrical shock. It is a reliable and popular wiring system and sustainable and long lasting. The disadvantages of this wiring system, it is expensive wiring system and very hard to find the defects in the wiring system. Installation is not easy and simple. Risk of electric shock, it is very complicated to manage the additional connections in the future. Conduct wiring system, to compare the different wiring system to the particular points. If we have to take the life, then in the cleat wiring there will be short. The life of the casing capping wiring is fairly long, and batten wiring it should be a long life. Then conduct wiring system is a very long life. If you have to consider the cost, then cleat wiring having low cost, the casing capping wiring medium cost, batten wiring medium, and conduct wiring is highest cost is present. Then installation, cleat wiring system it will be very easy. Then capping wiring difficult. Then batten wiring is easy, and conduct wiring system it will be a difficult. Then inspection, cleat wiring system inspection is very easy. In the casing capping it will be again easy. Batten wiring system again it will be very easy, but in the conduct wiring system it will be a difficult. Then we have to consider the repair. The cleat wiring system repairing is easy. The casing capping wiring system little bit difficult. Batten wiring system will be easy, but in the conduct wiring system repair is difficult. Then nowadays which wiring system is mostly used? Cleat wiring system is not used. Casing capping wiring is used. Batten wiring system is not used, but conduct wiring system are very highly used in the applications. Then we have to discuss the methods of electrical wiring system with respect to taking the connections. The electrical wiring is a process of connecting various accessories for distribution of electrical energy from supplier meter board to the home appliances such as lamps, fans and other domestic appliances is known as electrical wiring system. Then there will be two methods for the taking the electrical wiring system, that is joint box system or T system, and second one is the loop in system. Then we have to see the details about the two methods. First one is the joint box or T or joining system. In this method of wiring, the connections to the appliances are made through the joints. These joints are made in joint box by means of suitable connectors or joints cut out. This method of wiring does not consume too much cable sizes. And see, the T joint means we have to taking the connections from the main wire. It is called as a T types of joint connection. See, there will be two wires are present, phase and neutral, and from the distribution board we have to taking the supply to the switch, and to the switch we have to connect it to the lamp. These are the joint box system we have to shown in the image. Then second one is the loop in or looping system method. In this method of wiring or this method of wiring is universally we have to use. The lamp or other appliances are connected in parallel so that each of the appliances can be controlled individually is possible. We have to use this type of connection everywhere. And when a connection is required at a lamp or switch, the feed conductor is looped in or by bringing it directly to the terminal and then carry it forward again to the next point to the feed. The switch and light feeds are carried out round the circuit in a series of loop from one point to the another point until the last on the circuit is reached. The phase or line conductor are looped either in switchboard or box, and the neutrals are looped either in switchboard or from light or fan. The line or phase should never be looped from the light or fan. Advantages of loop-in system of wiring is it does not require joint box, or so money is saved. In loop-in system, no joint is connected here. No joint is concealed beneath in floor or in a roof space. The fault location is made easy as the point are made only at the outlet so that they are easily accessible. The disadvantages of loop-in system of wiring: the length of wire or cable required is more, and voltage drop and copper losses are therefore more. The loop-in switches or lamp holders is usually difficult. These are the different wiring connections or electrical wiring system with the connections made. Thank you, friend. These are the different methods of wiring system we have to see in this video. Thank you.